Okay, guys, so there's 4 trades that are about to skyrocket to the moon, and we're going to demyth what was supposed to be a black swan event. So you probably heard about this situation, but let me just elaborate quickly that this hasn't happened in 50 years. And what's been driving the demand for the United States dollar since June 6 of 1974 is the fact that the United States made a petrodollar pact with Saudi Arabia to basically have all the transactions in oil denominate in US dollars. So this officially came to an end yesterday. The market has been talking about it as a potential as a black swan event. So 2 things to consider is nothing can be evolved as a black swan event if it's widely expected. So when you hear something like this, and there's many websites, okay, they're like, man, this is a black swan, black swan. Black swans don't fucking happen when everybody is expecting a black swan. So definitely right there, you can discount the probability of this being a black swan event. But as a result of this, there's clearly trades that are about to go to the moon. And we're going to glance at those charts right now. 4 great sectors that are going to benefit from the end of the petrodollar. So let's roll. That's just how we're going to trade it. So if you were trading with us at 13 Market Moves in the last few days, you would have known we nailed the entry right here at 72 on oil calls. We've added to the oil calls position. So oil, as a result of the petro pact that ended yesterday, I'm recording this on June 10th, basically the direct outcome of that is that oil is going to shoot way the fuck higher from here. And just to give you an idea of where it could go, I mean, it could go back to the 100, above 100 as a result of that. Now, some of the trades, guys, that are slowly developing like that, they don't happen just like it doesn't mean just because the pact ended yesterday that all of a sudden oil is going to shoot up to $100 tomorrow. But as you can see, these are the early innings of the trade. So first we're going to revisit the level of 80, 82, then we're going to revisit the level of 86, 88, and ultimately this is going to break out. Now the pink line here, guys, is the line for Ethereum. So when we're looking at there's been in history a very positive correlation between the price of oil and the price of Ethereum, and in this particular case Ethereum has been going overall sideways between 3600 3900 in that range. In relation to Ethereum, oil has had a drastic move lower, but oil is about to catch up in relationship to Ethereum higher, while Ethereum itself is about to rocket higher as a result of the end of this petro pact. So 2 trades right here, okay, both are going to move to the moon. One of them is Ethereum calls, the second one is oil calls, and if we're to run a parallel, clearly beneficiary of that is going to be gold. Gold also, just like Ethereum, has been going sideways, trading close to all-time highs, but overall going sideways. And again, we're in a situation right now where gold still's got to catch up to the Ethereum trade, but both of them are about to bust out way higher from here. Just don't expect it to happen over the course of one day. But if you got into this trade with us this morning, guys, you've already been up quite nicely. Now, by the way, this trade right here on gold was the best trade for 13 Market Moves trade in Friday, because we had close to 90-point drop, guys, between the highs and between the lows of the day on Friday. So if you don't know how to trade gold options on gold futures, guys, you missed out a 60x trade just on Friday alone. So if you have any questions about it, just make sure you go to 13mmtv.com and you reach out to us. Now, as this chart portrays, there's going to be some major catching up back to the reversal. In I wouldn't discount this move actually coming in over the next couple of days. So basically, we're right now 23.29 on a gold. It wouldn't be shocking if we move back to the 2400 over the course of the next 72 hours, and then actually broke this level to the upside. So we can easily see gold as a result of the next few trading sessions catching back up to that level and exploding above that level. So easy trades. You got oil to the moon, you got gold to the moon, you've got Ethereum to the moon. But if we're to run a comparison chart here between Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ethereum is slightly lagging Bitcoin at the moment, but we're so overdue for Ethereum to actually lead in the momentum gains in comparison to the Bitcoin. So Ethereum remains to be top trade as far as that concerned, which takes us to the ultimate trade of the day, which is the Trumpy Dance trade. So as the rest of the markets had a severe drop on Friday, you had Ethereum drop in a couple hundred points, you had Bitcoin drop in 4,000 points. As you can see, Trumpy Dance chart is unshaken. I mean, it is a consistent flow of momentum higher, on certain days accelerating in the momentum higher, like on all these candles right here. Overall, slightly going sideways recently, but it's about to explode, guys. And so if you want the ultimate 6x top correlation on Ethereum, then this is your ultimate trade. Before you know, I mean, we're getting close to where we pretty soon we're going to conquer the 2 penny level. We've been trading above 1 penny for a little while, so we're at 0.016 now. But guys, the next time you could be looking at this chart could be at 0.02. So don't miss the momentum. Everything that has just transpired, what has never happened in the course of last 50 years, is going to result in this trade absolutely exploding. So don't miss right now. You still got a killer entry on this trade. Don't miss a good trade. Don't miss a perfect entry on a colossal trade, I would say. So let's go back to the charts and review the correlations. Okay, so back to the correlations chart. As you can see, this is what was transpiring on Friday. Okay, huge drop in Bitcoin, 72,660, just as it was getting closer and actually had a nice spike in volume, appearing like, hey, it could maybe revisit all-time highs of like 74K. Okay, that's the moment when it actually is collapsing all the way down to like 68 and some change. But since then, okay, notice at the same moment while Bitcoin was doing this, it was gold that created the best trade for Friday. At the same time, oil was dropping as well. And now, as you can see, all of these assets, they're highly correlated. And now that we've got a real catalyst for all of these 4 assets to go higher. Okay, you're going to see a big move higher in Bitcoin. You're going to see a big move higher in Ethereum. You're going to definitely see a huge move higher in Trumpy Dance Memecoin as a result of those 2 going higher. But as far as trading options on futures, guys, I mean, the correlation here is absolutely undeniable. Okay, you're going to see oil moving higher for the rest of the session today. You're going to see oil moving higher tomorrow. You're going to see a colossal move to the upside in oil. You're going to see a colossal move to the upside in gold. And all of that is going to be happening right in front of your eyes. Now, most of the traders, right, they want to trade something that moves absolutely like crazy today. But with that, they miss opportunities to get in on an early sign of a trade that is just about to explode. So within a few days, I mean, Bitcoin could easily be slashing through the 74,000 level. Okay, but those people that are like, well, it doesn't look like it's moving a lot today, they're going to be missing out on it. So don't be the victim of a trade that just doesn't appear to the rest of the market participants like it's a colossal trade. But most of the trades, they're going to start developing slowly like this before they explode. So we may see a couple of slower size days in Bitcoin and Ethereum and Trumpy Dance before they're going to explode to the fucking moon. And the fact that it's going to happen, it's undeniable. The fact that the whole world was waiting for a black swan event after the deal that the United States made 50 years ago and ended abruptly on June 9th, yesterday. The market is still trying to decipher, okay, how crazy will things unfold here? But it is clear that people are beginning to buy these trades. If we're talking about Ethereum trade, Bitcoin trade, oil trade, gold trade, they're all synonymous right now. They got a very highly positive correlation as of recent history, as you can see portrayed on this chart, guys. And so with that said, oil higher means crypto higher, gold higher means crypto higher. All of these are going to be moving while some of the other market components can be clearly breaking down. But if you focus on these 4 trades and you get the right strikes and you get the right entry, guys, these are the easiest 4 trades in the world to be taken right now. So if you're not sure how to take them, guys, visit us at trumpydance.com. Don't miss out on the perfect entry before the trade is going to explode absolutely to the fucking stratosphere. And if you're trading options, if you're set up to trade options on futures, guys, give us a call now, because there's going to be some colossal 20x, 30x, 50x trades, just like the ones that we're able to put together on a Friday when stuff was going downward by buying put options. You're about to see us doing same kind of numbers or bigger on the opposite direction when things are about to explode into the stratosphere, moving higher, guys. So with that said, don't miss these colossal trades before they go to the moon. Okay, entries is everything, timing is everything, guys. Don't miss it. Give us a call today and let's roll.